It's Vlogmas Day 3.
It's time. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Time to celebrate with love, family, and gifts. Ooh. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Natural beauty, yeah, some Reshae.
All right, y'all. Today we are doing a festive little natural hairstyle. So, you know, the holiday parties is about to be jumping. So, I wanted to show y'all a hairstyle that you could do with your natural hair. This right here is a day 4, day 5 twist out. I've been loving twist outs for my hair. I don't know why, but the wash and goes haven't been doing it for me. And so I was like, you know what? It comes a time in your natural hair journey where you want to switch up, you know, your go-to style. So right now, my go-to style is the twist out. I did stretch my hair with a blow dryer earlier today, so it's a little bit more elongated and everything. I'm okay with the shape right now. It does look a little flat here, but that's also because like I'm trying to grow out my hair right here. I was thinking of doing like a fun winter like hairstyle, but kind of like with the claw clip trend vibe a little bit. So I'm gonna separate the front of my hair like that, basically from ear to ear. So then I'm gonna go from ear to ear here at the back.
God!
And just kind of like separating where the curls separate. All right, so this portion of my hair I'm gonna put in a ponytail. So I'm going to take, yeah, I got on my Renaissance bodysuit on because I thought the silver was giving. So I'm just gonna take this, the unbrush. I have a lot of opinions on the unbrush. Not bad. But I'm just taking that to kind of like brush here, and then we're gonna put this in a ponytail. So I guess while I put this in a ponytail, I can tell y'all my full review on the unbrush. I think the unbrush is great for some people and not so great for other people. I think this product is a great example of how every natural hair product or tool doesn't work for everybody. I think this is a great example of that. I did try this out detangling dry hair. Like if I went to detangle this back section of my hair, like the unbrush works well for detangling on my dry hair. I would give it a 6.5 out of 10 when I'm detangling my hair in the shower. I say that because the bristles bend so easily that a lot of time when you're trying to detangle through thicker hair, the bristles will bend instead of penetrate like through the hair to fully like detangle. So it will take longer to detangle with this in the shower than it normally would with my shampoo brush or my tangle teaser. So if you have super dense hair or super thick hair, like the unbrush may not be that girl for you. But if you have thin hair, if you have low density hair, like she's gonna be the new star of the show. If you have hair kind of like mine, where I have fine hair and not super dense hair, it can work, you know, it do an okay job. Like she shows up for work, she does her job, she goes home. She doesn't exceed expectations or anything like that, but she's there. So I think this is just a product that you have to try it out for yourself and see if it works on your hair. Now I'm gonna take the hair at the back and I'm just gonna pull out, like, I call it tendrils. I'll pull out like a little piece of hair here and pull out like a little piece of hair here. And then I like to, because my hair is long enough to do this, I just tie it around my neck like that, because when I start putting this hair up, it just be doing what it want to do. All right, so I've been loving the Zoo. This is their Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey Setting Foam, and y'all, this is currently my holy grail natural hair product, because I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna take a pump or a couple pumps of that and just place it on the back of my head. And then I'm gonna take that unbrush and just kind of brush at the back, not doing too much. We just want it to look, you know, a little bit more polished. So I'm just brushing the back of the hair up like that. And then we're gonna take some of this hair from the front and, you know, pull it back there. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of my bang out. So okay, I pull this much back on this side. I'll pull this back on this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put a little pump of setting foam on each side. Like that. And then I'm gonna start with the unbrush. Just kind of doing that number and then slicking it down with my bristle brush. And again, the same thing on this side. And slicking it down. And then we're gonna put a ponytail at the back. All right, so we have this ponytail at the back right here. And then we have this ponytail up top. I'm kind of flush that out however it wants to do. Kind of giving high puff energy. And then I'm gonna just do the claw clip hack. So I'm gonna twist this hair back here up to the base of the ponytail. And I'm actually gonna take a butterfly clip and clip it up. Again, I don't have super dense hair, so I am able to secure like that little ponytail with a butterfly clip. But it's basically serving as my black claw clip because I want to accessorize my hair and I don't want the claw clip to overpower those accessories. So now I'm just gonna do any further separation if I want to the hair that's out up front. And you don't want to separate it too much where it start looking frizzy and stuff, but you want to separate it just enough so it's looking full. And again, I'm gonna take just a little bit of this setting foam and smooth down a little flyaway slash frizzy pieces, and so we can have our little bang going. And then I do want to go in and do a little bit of the mousse on these pieces, even though I don't want them to super revert. I want it to look a little bit more defined. All right, so we got our two little curly cues back there. This one bouncing and behaving, this one coming to form. So we got those going, and then we got the hair, right? So then the next thing I got to make this like a festive, perfect for the holiday look is some snowflake clips. And so it came with a larger one, and I put this kind of towards the front where you can see it like that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put these kind of like lining the ponytail at the back. So I'm trying to do it to where only the snowflake is showing. I personally cannot see what I'm doing right this second. I'm just feeling it out. Okay, so not the easiest task. Now, I think she's cute. This is super festive, super holiday. Let me show y'all, get into the details. So we got our snowflakes at the back, snowflakes on the side. Look at that side eye. Y'all can't tell me this ain't a festive little holiday look. Like, Let me get right. Y'all comment below if you would try out this hairstyle and like this video. Make sure you're tuned in. You don't want to miss the rest of Vlogmas. I love y'all so much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tipple. Bye.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.